Oh, hello, this is Tak Chung from Wok with Tak. I always like stainless steel cookware because of their beauty and elegance. They are also easy to clean and maintain. I have owned a Cook Standard Stainless Steel Wok for almost 10 years and I really enjoy using it. Recently, one of my students told me about a Cuisinart stainless steel wok and she really likes it. I ordered one for research purpose to my wife's chagrin. The wok arrived from Amazon Prime in a couple of days. I was eager to open it and to give it a try that evening. My first impression is that this wok is not as heavily constructed as the Cook Standard Stainless Steel Wok, as someone already have mentioned it online. I spent the next 2 weeks cooking with it on my glass-top electric range. Right now, I'm going to give you my assessment of my impression. Number one, construction. The wok has two construction zones. The side of the wok is thin, whereas the bottom of the wok is thick. The bottom of the wok is clamped with aluminum, make it faster heating as well as more even heat distribution. Number two, weight. The wok weighs 1 pound 13 ounces, making it definitely one of the lightest woks on the market. Most of the wok is about 3 pound 10 ounces. It makes this wok almost 1 pound lighter than the Cook Standard Stainless Steel Wok. After I have used it for about a week, I actually start complaining to my wife that my other woks are too heavy. Number three, handles. It has stainless steel stay cool handles. It has a long handle and a helper handle. Both stay cool when the wok is heated up. They are on the lighter side, but they are well constructed. With stainless steel handle, this wok can be used in the oven without any problem. Number four, lid. This wok comes with a glass lid, and it is with a stainless steel handle. The glass is heat tempered, make them safe to be used in the oven. To be able to put in the oven safely, I really like that because quite often I will finish off a dish in the oven, such as topping it with cheese. Number five, seasoning. I have no trouble to season the wok to give it non-stick property using my spot seasoning method. If you're not unfamiliar with this method, please take a look at this video. The non-stick property of the wok works beautifully. As you can see, the egg glides freely over the surface of the wok. Number six, heat. The wok heats up without any problem on my glass-top electric range. It heats up rapidly, as fast as my Imusa 14-inch carbon steel wok. The wok does not change shape when heated up, so that it does not wobble on the top of the glass-top electric range. Number seven, holding heat. The wok has excellent heat holding capacity. It actually works really well at the medium heat setting. As you can see, it sears the chicken really well in this dish. Number eight, scratch resistance. I use a traditional stainless steel wok spatula. It has no scratch mark afterward. Number nine, cleaning. The wok is easily cleaned. I use a Scotch-Brite scratch pad and to remove any food stain on the surface of the wok, and it has no scratch mark afterward. In summary, I see no negative aspect to this wok. I probably would like it a little bit thicker, but that's just simply my personal preference. On the other hand, the lighter construction of the wok make it easier to handle. I can see why my student like this wok. It's a little bit more expensive than my other woks, but it's cheap in comparison to stainless steel woks. The lid is definitely a plus. I can see using this wok to bake a casserole in the oven. It is available on Amazon for $44. Not a bad price. I use 10 woks in my kitchen on a regular basis, and this is one of them. You can look at this video of my rating of these 10 woks. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you would like to receive notification of my video postings. See you again.